Start your routine with clean, dry skin. Apply Telosin LUMIRED Gel. Starting at the lower cheek, glide slowly outwards and upwards. Continue with soft lifting movements under the eyes and sweep gently towards the temples. When you hear the beep, move on to the next area. Along the chin and jawline, glide slowly upwards to define, sculpt, and firm the facial contours. For the neck, begin at the base and sweep upwards in smooth, fluid motions. Keep the device in continuous contact with the skin as you move. Once your treatment is complete, apply the Telosin Light Locking Mask. Then finish with Telosin Light Locking Serum and Face Cream.